update video for you. This is my 2020 MCMR Race Series Renegade. Changed quite a few things on it. It's got white Gen 1 plastics this year. We also are running 36-inch Assassinators from Super ATV. Still running Jeff Ross's 1108 big bore with his 425 bomb cams. Empire's headers that work on with the slip-on. And we're running his megaphone also. And let me tell you, this thing it sounds nasty on a build machine. Like, it's ridiculous. Still running Demon HD axle all around. Running Sean's billet rear diff in the back. Mersad rebuilt my gearbox because I destroyed that last season, and he actually has these cool protective covers. You can kind of see it in there. So if you blow your rear drive shaft, you never know what happens to racing. It's not gonna smash a case and put a hole in it. Costs you some more money down the road, of course. We're running also a bored out throttle body. It's a 58 now instead of the 54. We're running Mr. RPM intake in there too. Got rid of that junk plastic one. Running a Gen 1 air box. On Gen 2, more airflow. You know, they say more air, more power. It's all nicely PVC piped under the hood from MDM there in Wisconsin. Got their cover on too to help with water splashing in your intakes and all that fun jazz. We're also running Sean's upgraded front drive shaft in the front. Still spraying nitrous, still at a 40 shot. Still have to dyno it for that. We're also running a PC5 this year, which seemed to help out a lot too. I'll start it up for you guys so you can kind of hear what she sounds like. That's pretty much her. If you guys want to see some more, give me a follow on Instagram. That's at JaredLucin5150. Give Northstar Riders a follow, and we'll be seeing you guys hopefully at some events this year. We're out on the trail, you know, come say hi. Always look forward to talking to new people. If you have any questions or anything, drop a comment. I'll get a video sent to him too of this thing in action. It's gonna probably just be, it's just gonna be the one with all motor, because I said like the Nitrous isn't hooked up yet. But yeah, you guys take care, have a good one, and stay safe out there. Let's kick this corona out.